Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2012 Hyundai i30 SX wagon, stock reference number 5627. This shape runs from the 9th month 2007 through to the 4th month 2012. It has a G4 GC, 2 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by an automatic front-wheel drive transmission. G4 GC, 2 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. We have the radiator grille, left-hand headlight, left-hand fog light, left garter piece to have no damage, left power door mirror, left front, 15-inch steel rim with a good tyre. Left front door has one small dent, left rear door has no damage. Left rear 15-inch steel rim with a good tyre. We have the left-hand tail light, tidy rear bumper cover. Tailgate has no damage. Right-hand tail light, right rear 15-inch steel rim with a good tyre. Right rear door has no damage, and a right power door mirror. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior. Automatic gear shifter, heater controls, single stack CD player, top glove box, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel with cruise control.